From a cloth mask to a surgical mask to no mask at all. The medical center helped me test out to see if these masks actually do block germs when you cough. Hey! Our mouths are full of bacteria.
When I talk, when I cough, things like that, I am putting out aerosols from my respiratory secretions.
Masks are worn to protect others from getting your germs. The CDC recommends it. Doctors preach it. Science proves it.
Number one thing to prevent the spread of COVID.
But there's still some pushback on the matter. So the medical center's laboratory invited me in to help unmask the truth with a little science experiment.
So today I'm going to have you cough on these Petri dishes.
All while wearing a cloth mask.
Can I cough into that?
Yes.
To a surgical mask. To no mask. Those Petri dishes then were put in an incubator.
Plates are incubating right now at body temperature to grow the bacteria.
After 24 hours, here's what manifested in those little Petri dishes.
With a cloth mask, you can see that nothing came out.
As was the same for the surgical mask.
The cloth masks and the surgical masks are about the same.
And finally, the moment of truth. And a quite visually disturbing one to take in.
Many bacteria came out.
Coughing with no mask cultured these colorfully earthy circles. Germs.
Respiratory secretions produced normal flora that comes out when you're speaking.
So if I was infected with COVID and maskless well out in public, those germs have the potential to spread to someone at risk.
Your normal secretions contain all of that stuff.
From a cough to a culture, straight from the science lab. And while perhaps it may be a visual and nauseating illustration, but this final product allows us to literally see what happens when our mouths aren't shielded. Again, proving that masks matter. Because our neighbors sure do too.
I'm protecting others and protecting the young and the old.
Reporting for 13 News, I'm Kelly Dean.